Welcome to Fact Frenzy, where we dig into some of the most fascinating questions about the world around us. Today, we're diving into something we all experience at some point: luck. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the luck, while others feel like they can't catch a break? Is luck a real force influencing our lives, or is it just our perception and the result of random probability? In this episode, we're breaking down the science behind luck to find out if it's real or if it's all just a game of chance. Fact number one, the concept of luck. What are we really talking about? Before we dive into the science, let's define luck. In simple terms, luck is often described as success or failure brought by chance, rather than through one's actions. It's when something good or bad happens that we believe is outside our control. We associate good luck with winning a lottery, that finding money on the street, or landing a dream job. Bad luck, on the other hand, might be losing your wallet, missing an important meeting, or being in the wrong place at the wrong time. But is there a real force driving these events, or is it just random probability playing out in ways that our brains interpret as luck? Fact number two, the role of probability: luck or just math? At its core, what we call luck is often just probability. The universe operates according to certain mathematical laws, and when it comes to random events, everything boils down to statistics. For example, if you flip a coin, there's a 50-50 chance it will land on heads or tails. If you roll a six-sided die, you have a 1 in 6 chance of rolling any given number. When something unlikely happens, like winning the lottery, our brains tend to see it as an extraordinary stroke of luck. But from a mathematical perspective, someone has to win. There's always a probability attached to every outcome, no matter how slim. Take the gambler's fallacy, for instance. People often believe that if something hasn't happened in a while, it's more likely to happen soon. If you keep getting heads on a coin flip, you might think tails is due. But in reality, each flip is independent and the odds stay the same. This is where we see that luck is really just random probability playing out. Fact number three, the psychology of luck. It's all in your head. So if luck is just math, why do we believe in it so strongly? The answer lies in our brains. Human beings are wired to find patterns in the world around us. This was essential for our survival. Our ancestors needed to recognize patterns to avoid danger and find food. But sometimes our brains create connections between events that are purely coincidental. This is why we hold on to lucky charms, wear lucky clothing, or follow superstitious rituals before big events. When something good happens after using a lucky charm, our brain creates a false connection between the charm and the outcome, reinforcing the idea that it works. This is also known as the illusion of control, where we feel like we have more influence over random events than we actually do. Even in situations where outcomes are entirely governed by chance, like rolling dice or playing the lottery, many people believe that certain behaviors or objects can tilt the odds in their favor. It's all about how our brains perceive and interpret chance events. Fact number four, the law of large numbers: why patterns seem to appear. Another key factor in the science of luck is something called the law of large numbers. In essence, this law tells us that over a large number of trials, random events will begin to balance out. For example, if you flip a coin only 10 times, you might get heads 6 or 7 times, which seems unusual. But if you flip the coin 1,000 times, the ratio of heads to tails will even out closer to 50-50. This is why people often believe they're having a lucky streak or unlucky streak. In the short term, randomness can create patterns that seem meaningful, but they're really just part of how probability works. Over time, these patterns disappear as more events occur. So, while you may feel like you're experiencing a wave of good or bad luck, it's really just random chance balancing itself out over a small sample size. Fact number five, positive thinking and perception. Can you create your own luck? Here's where it gets interesting. While luck is mostly tied to probability, our perception of luck can have a real impact on how we experience life. Studies show that people who believe they are lucky tend to take more chances, notice more opportunities, and are generally more optimistic. This mindset can create a self-fulfilling prophecy where positive expectations lead to better outcomes simply because we're more open to seeing opportunities. On the flip side, people who feel unlucky may focus on the negative and miss opportunities that could improve their situation. It's all about perception. While the math behind luck doesn't change, how we approach life can make us feel luckier or unluckier. According to Richard Wiseman, a psychologist who studied the science of luck, people who feel lucky often have better outcomes because they exhibit four key traits. They maximize chance opportunities, listen to their intuition, expect good fortune, and are resilient in the face of failure. So, while luck might not be real in a supernatural sense, believing in it could improve your life. So, is luck real? Scientifically, it's all about random chance and probability, but the way we perceive luck can shape our experiences in powerful ways. Whether you see yourself as lucky or unlucky may determine how you approach life's opportunities and challenges. At the end of the day, while luck might just be a byproduct of randomness, believing in it can give you the confidence to take chances, stay positive, and make the most of whatever life throws your way. Thanks for watching Fact Frenzy. If you found this breakdown of luck intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible insights into the mysteries of life.